Hi everyone, and welcome to the April video for the Pinspiration 2020 collaboration, which is hosted by me. I will have all the collaborators in the description box below. I will have their links in the description box below, so please check them out. They are a talented group of ladies. And the premise of this collaboration is to use those pins that we all have been saving. And you know you've been saving them. So we pick a pin and then we duplicate that pin. It can be a card sketch. It can be something that you saw that you would like to make. It can be a recipe, organization, whatever pin you feel that you want to try for that month. That's what this collaboration is about. So I picked a pin which was actually a video that I recently just saw, and I really wanted to make this item, and it helped me use up some more sheets of this Safe Freeze paper pad that came from Michaels, which is by Craftsmith, and I've been trying to use up what is left in here by making cards and a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and all that is really left in this paper pad now is cut apart sheets. So I really need to decide what to do with the cut aparts. And I don't know, let's see if I can get there we go, that might be a little bit better. So I haven't decided what I want to do with the cut aparts yet. So what I did was I pulled out all the pages that were just I guess you could say plain, but not really plain, but it didn't have cut aparts. It was just, your pattern paper, and I cut them up to use on the project that I'm going to show you. So I may use some of these cut aparts on the projects. So yes, I know this is a Christmas pad and it's April, it's spring, I know, but I'm trying to get a jump on some of my Christmas stuff, and I was hoping this year to do a couple of craft shows, but with, the COVID-19, who knows if there are going to even be any shows. So this, like I said, these are the pages that I have left out of this paper pad. So hopefully I'll be able to use them on something very soon. So the pin that I used is actually, like I said, a video. And the video was by Rejoice and Create. And it was these cute little gift bags. So I followed the tutorial that she had. And I did the gift bags, and then I just put some decorative paper on the outside of the gift bags, and I inked everything with some distress ink. So let me show you the bags that I made. So I made these cute little bags and these cute little handles, and they remind me of the old paper bag that you can get from, going to the grocery store years ago when they had the handles and stuff. So I thought these were really cute. So I made this one, and then I have this one with the red snowflakes. I have one with wreaths. Then I have this one here with holly leaves and berries. And then I have this one, which I think I put the paper on upside down, and I did. Oh, look at that. This is supposed to be mistletoe, only it's upside down. So now it kind of looks like a bouquet. Oh well. Hey, it still looks cute. So I made that one, and then I made this one, which I really love, which is the bigger holly leaves and berries, and it's kind of sparkly, but it doesn't come off. It's that type of glitter that doesn't come off. So I ended up making 6 little bags. So what I decided to do with these bags is I want to make, and I'm sure everybody has heard this, snowman soup. So I'm going to actually get some hot chocolate, and I will get some little marshmallows and a candy cane. Once Christmas stuff rolls back around. And I'm going to make these into little snowman soup gift bags. And I'm going to decorate them up, but I just wanted to show you where I had started. And I really like these because I think I can probably use them for something else, for maybe like little gifts, you know, little gift cards, put a card in here and put a gift card in it. So yeah, so that is what I have done this month. I want to thank you for stopping and watching. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And also tap on that bell and it will notify you when I have uploaded a video. So please check out all the other ladies in the collaboration, and I want to thank you for stopping. And I hope you try this pin because this was very easy to put together, and I have so many ideas to use for this that it's unreal. So thanks again for stopping, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.